Today we're going to look at 3 different real life examples. So first one is jobs. We have, 10 jobs in our classroom. So that is 10 out of 29. Let's change that into a decimal, which is, type that into which is 10 divided by 29 equals 0.34. 0.35. It's 0.35. And now, if you're gonna turn that into percent, is that times 100 is 35. So 35% of kids have jobs. Now, moving on to our April birthdays, we have 4 people in our birthday chart in April. So type that 4 divided by 29. Oh, this is 29, by the way. 29 is 0.14. 0.14. Now, times 100 is 14. So 14% kids have birthday in April. Now, last one is that 7 chairs and 29 people. 29 people. So 7 divided by 29 is 0.24 times 100 is 24% of kids have chairs. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe and please press like. And thank you.